Hello everybody, this is Rick Ray. I am a full-time Forex coach and trader, and I use one strategy for trading commodities and currencies, gold, platinum, and all of the major currency pairs on the foreign exchange market. And that one strategy was taught to me by Kate Ketsuda about 1 year ago. It's a simple strategy, easy to learn, easy to understand. It's something that even beginning traders can start using right from day one. It's something that advanced traders can use. Kate herself has been using this strategy for almost 10 years. She learned it from her mentor, who has been using it for almost 20 years. So it's a time-tested, proven strategy. That's what I want to share with you in this video. So stick with me to the end, and I will shortly tell you how much this is not going to cost you. This is a strategy that will help you to understand and be able to successfully trade gold, platinum, and all 7 major currency pairs on the foreign exchange market. It will be taught by my mentor, my business partner, my friend, Kate Ketsuda. It is a 6 to 7 hour course and is taught on a live Zoom webinar. She goes into great detail, really drills down, makes it easy to understand, easy to follow. Anybody can learn this, whether you're a beginning trader or an experienced trader. But before I tell you how much it's not going to cost you, you might be asking, who is Kate Ketsuda? Well, Kate Ketsuda is a Thai person who lives in Canada. She's married to a Canadian. And this is a photo of her from last October 2019, where she taught this course that is available to you. All right, she taught this course at the Marriott Hotel in Bangkok in October 2019, and that's her in the front of the crowd there with the pink suit on, standing next to the CEO and founder of Fullerton Markets, Forex broker. So she's very, very experienced. She has thousands of clients around the world. Everybody loves to learn this strategy, and it's something that anybody can learn. So you're asking, well, you said, Rick, you're going to tell me how much this course does not cost me. Right. Well, normally, okay, when Kate teaches this course, she charges $1,000 for a private course. All right. If it's a group course, if you join in a classroom with, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 people, whatever, it's $300 per person. However, we all know that we're in a very special situation. Many people have been laid off, unemployed, and times are not what they used to be. Well, Kate is making this unbelievable special COVID-19 offer. The course price is free, absolutely free for anyone. There are 2 conditions. All right, one, all you have to do to trade Forex, you have to have a Forex broker. Okay, so first you need to fund your Fullerton Markets trading account with $1,000. That would be money that you would use to trade with. It's not a course fee. Okay, if that's a little bit beyond your budget, okay, you can do the option number 2. Fund your Fullerton Markets trading account with $100 only, and then just pay $69 for the course. This is an amazing offer. Kate has never, ever done this before. But we are, again, as I just said, and as everyone around the world knows, the only way you would not know about coronavirus is if you've been living in a cave or you're in the Antarctica or somewhere like that. But this is a very, very special COVID-19 offer. Absolutely free. All you have to do is fund your account with either $1,000, then it's totally 100% free, or fund your account with just $100 and pay only $69 for the course. And believe it or not, if you take either one of those options, either one, you'll be added to Kate's VIP signal group. And what is a signal group? If you're not an experienced Forex trader, you won't know. A VIP signal group is where Kate posts her signals for gold, platinum, and 7 major currency pairs. She gives you the entry point. She tells you where to take the trade, where to place your stop loss to protect your capital, and where to take profit. Every single day, Monday to Friday, which is when the Forex market is open, Monday to Friday. And this normally is $49 per month as a subscription fee. But if you take either one of the options to join Kate's course, this will be absolutely free for you for life. Unbelievable, amazing. So how can you not take advantage of this opportunity? It's a fantastic, fantastic opportunity to provide you with income from the foreign exchange market, one of the largest financial market in the world, trading $6.6 trillion every single day. So what's the next step? All you have to do is sign up for a live account with Fullerton Markets, and you can do that at my website, rickrayfx.com/broker. Okay, you can take a screenshot of that if you want, if you kind of remember it. Now you'll need to get your live account approved. Okay, that can usually be done within a couple of hours after you've filled in all the blanks and submitted the appropriate documents. Then you just fund your account with either the first option or the second option, either $1,000 or $100. And then just message me a telegram and let me know that you've done that, and we will put you in the course. So the only question that could be remaining is, when is the course? All right, well, the next available Thai language course, is a couple of days from now. It's the 30th of May, 2020. All right, that might be a little bit soon for you. Oh, or if you want the English language course, which you probably do because you're watching my video, the next English language course is on the 31st of May, 2020, and that's this coming Sunday. So if that's a little bit too soon for you, the next available course will probably be towards the end of June. But if you can take action now, there's a great opportunity coming up this weekend, the 30th of May and the 31st of May. The Thai language course will be on the 30th, and the English language course will be on the 31st. So if you have any questions, you can contact me easily by email, rickrayfx@gmail.com, or telegram, of course. My ID is @rickrayfx, or I'm on Facebook. I do live Facebook every evening. I live in Thailand. I do it Bangkok time, 7 p.m. Or you can line me. My line ID is Rick Ray. Or for sure, you can go to my website, rickrayfx.com, and you can message me from there. Okay, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Let me know on Telegram that you've signed up for the account, you've funded your account, and we'll see you in the course this weekend. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you hear about more promotions and anything to do with Forex. Okay? Have a great day wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.